Have you ever wondered what is the ultimate purpose of your life? Where do you see yourself 5 years from now or 10 years from now? Although it may seem like a considerable span of time to contemplate, there is no harm in embracing the power of manifestation to envision and attract your dream life. Let's do this together. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to a new planner setup video. In today's video, we are going to set up and manifest our dream life by doing this amazing exercise which is curated in the Life Aroma Planner 2024. If you are interested in purchasing this particular planner, then you can head over to our website. I will provide all the details in the description box below. So in our last video, we engaged in a successful manifestation exercise known as Current Me versus Future Me. Building upon that positive momentum, today's video focuses on another beautifully crafted manifestation exercise. Here on the left hand side, we have different important categories of our life that are vital for us, like wellness, career, relationship and finances. I have added a blank space for you guys to add your own category if any. Then we have a space to start your manifestation journey with gratitude, where you can express sincere appreciation to your life for all the abundant blessings and possessions you have already received in each of these categories till now. This approach of gratitude at the very beginning sets a positive tone to your manifestation. And then this is followed by your manifestation for 1 year from now, 5 years from now and 10 years from now. So before I dive into the setup, I just want to let you know the importance of doing this particular manifestation exercise and how it can change the way you perceive your goals and dreams. So in this fast-paced world, it's very easy to get lost in the short-term success and become a part of the rat race. We often tend to forget the true essence of our life and ignore our inner peace. However, it's crucial to remember that our ultimate purpose is beyond any materialistic achievement and external validations. Our whole journey and our dreams should be more about finding joy, fulfillment and contentment in every step we take. Instead of being consumed by the rat race, let's shift our focus towards creating a meaningful and purposeful existence. So for example, if your aim is to be financially independent, then be very clear how much money is enough for you, how you want to live your life few years from now. Do you want to upgrade your lifestyle or just be a part of that competitive zone of earning more and more? Just set a boundary for that. Again, if you are in your dream college or maybe in your dream job, then just be very clear about what you want out of that dream career of yours. Is your aim centers around being better than your colleague, or you want to feel stable with your job and lead your own personal life peacefully? If you have a beautiful family right now or aiming to create one, where do you see your relationships going after few years? So be it any kind of manifestation or dream for you, this particular exercise is going to help you keep on track with the ultimate purpose of your life, and it will help you to stay away from any kind of temporary distractions and guide you towards the right actionable steps in future. So now that you are aware about the importance of this exercise, let me share with you how you can set up these manifestation exercises with some examples. I will share examples from the 4 categories mentioned, that is wellness, career, relationship and finances. You can choose to customize it as per your lifestyle. You can even add your own category in the blank space provided. Just a disclaimer here, this video is just for the tutorial purpose and I just want to let you guys know how you can use this particular page as per your lifestyle. I'm not sharing my manifestations here as I want to keep it personal. Now let's get started with today's setup. The first category is for your wellness manifestation, and I feel that this is one of the most important, topmost priority that we should focus on. Health is the foundation upon which all other dreams rest. So start your manifestation with gratitude. Write down what you are grateful for about your wellness in the present scenario. It could be anything from having a strong immune system to being able to engage in physical activities without any limitations. It could be your first step towards your fitness routine or healthy eating habits. Just embrace the steps you took to take care of yourself till now over the years and thank the universe for being there with you. Next, jot down your manifestation for 1 year from now. Remember to write it down in present tense as if you have already achieved it. Imagine yourself engaging in regular exercise or physical activities that you enjoy. Visualize yourself practicing self-care routines such as getting enough sleep and taking breaks when needed. Imagine a positive mindset free from excessive stress or worry. Envision your body being strong, vibrant, and full of energy. So, whatever is your 1 year plan for your wellness journey, just visualize it and write it down without any doubt. 5 years from now, you can imagine yourself free from any chronic diseases. Envision a well balanced lifestyle where you prioritize self care, work life balance, and healthy habits. See yourself maintaining a proper routine that includes regular exercise, nutritious meals, sufficient sleep, and ample of time for relaxation and rejuvenation. Visualize yourself traveling to new places, trying new activities, feeling youthful just because of your consistent fitness journey. Visualize yourself making sound decisions and maintaining mental clarity in all aspects of your life. Alright, 10 years from now, you can be in that stage of your life where your workload has reduced, you are financially sound to invest more in your wellness routine. Visualize yourself leading a balanced lifestyle that honors all aspects of your well-being. Manifest your intentions for work-life balance, leisure time, and pursuing activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. So the main ultimate aim of practicing and self-reflecting on this manifestation exercise is to be aware of how we visualize ourselves in a long run. What actions can we take today to be in that beautiful phase of our life 10 years from now? What toxic habits we can get rid of to be disease-free in future? How can we develop certain healthy habits that will add up to a healthy body and mind in our old age? So this exercise will be a constant reminder to take the necessary steps now so that we can lead a very healthy and beautiful life later and not regret after few years. Moving on to the next category, let's dive into understanding some career manifestation. And I feel that this is very crucial at this point to have some clarity in this rat race culture. We need to know our own boundaries, where to draw the line, and start living a real life for ourselves. So start with being grateful for your education that allowed you to pursue your dream career path. And if you haven't got your dream career yet, at least be grateful that now you know which direction to go in the future. Be grateful for all the opportunities and learnings you have acquired till date that made you better and better in life. Now, 1 year from now, you can clearly define your career goals for the next year. Be specific about what you want to achieve, such as promotion, a salary increase, a new job, or gaining any new skills. Imagine yourself in your ideal job with the desired skills and responsibilities. You can use positive affirmations related to your career goals to help you shift your mindset towards success. 5 years from now, imagine yourself in your dream job, experiencing success, fulfillment, and growth. Visualize the details such as your work environment, colleagues, and daily activities. Describe the lifestyle you desire by working hard on your dream job. Do you desire a fast-paced life or want to slow down? What's your commitment plan towards your personal life while being in your dream job? Do you have any bucket list that you can fulfill being in job for the last 5 years? Go beyond just materialistic gains and jot down your manifestations. And lastly, 10 years from now, your approach towards your career manifestation should be more on the personal level. Think about why you worked so hard over the years. What's the ultimate goal you wanted to achieve? Is it the success that matters or the financial position you are in? Are you living a peaceful life with your family? Visualize that dream life you wanted to build that is guided by your present career path you desired to go for. I feel that the career manifestation is not just about achieving external success, but it's more about your personal growth. It serves as a reminder of your dreams and aspirations and the reasons why you are pursuing a particular career path. Moving on to relationship manifestation, you can manifest a specific person in your life. It can be your life partner or even a friend or any of your family member maybe, or your relationship with others in general. So it totally depends on your personal choice. By defining what you want in a relationship, you gain clarity about your desires, needs, and expectations. It helps you identify the qualities and values you seek in a partner, the type of connection you want to establish, and the kind of relationship you envision for yourself. When you have a clear relationship manifestation, it becomes easier to focus your energy and attention on attracting and cultivating the kind of relationship you desire. The law of attraction suggests that like attracts like, and by focusing your thoughts and intentions on a particular outcome, you can attract it into your life. Write down specific details about the kind of relationship you want to manifest, such as the level of emotional connection, communication, and shared interest. Visualize the details such as how you feel when you are with your partner, the activities you do together, and the support you provide for each other. Allow yourself to feel the emotions associated with this vision. And then we have the financial manifestation. Setting financial goals, knowing the importance of budgeting and savings and investing in your life, and having a proper financial education will help you more to get closer to your financial manifestation. So keep that in mind and make a plan accordingly as per your age and your lifestyle. By defining your financial goals and desires, you gain clarity and focus on what you want to achieve financially. It helps you identify what is truly important to you and allows you to align your actions and decisions accordingly. When you have a clear vision of your financial goals, it becomes easier to stay motivated and take consistent actions towards achieving them. It reminds you of the rewards and benefits you will enjoy once you reach your desired financial state. It allows you to evaluate your current financial situation, identify any gaps or areas that need improvement, and develop a strategic approach to bridge those gaps. Life is full of obstacles and challenges, and financial manifestations can help you overcome them. When you face financial setbacks or unexpected circumstances, having a clear vision and manifestation can remind you of your long-term goals and motivate you to keep going. It enables you to stay focused and find alternative solutions to overcome obstacles on your financial journey. That's all about this manifestation exercise. Take this video as a guide to set your own manifestations in various areas of your life. If this video was insightful, then definitely leave a comment down below about your thoughts. And yeah, like, share and subscribe, and you can follow us on our Instagram handle. This is the Instagram handle where you will get lots of inspirations about planner setups and all the future updates about the YouTube videos and any product launch. So definitely go ahead, check it out. And yeah, I will see you super soon with a new video. Till then, keep smiling. Bye bye.